Okay.
I like the person that's on your shirt.
Wow. We're gonna skip over Sam's. We're gonna solve Tessa's system.
Okay.
If you look at, so Tessa's system was this one, and Bo is this one. Okay, two different systems. If you look at Tessa's system, how are, what type of equations are those? They're written in what form?
They're written in standard form.
Yeah, so if they're both written in standard form, what method would you use?
Standard form method.
What method have we learned to use for...
Slope.
Thank you.
Matrix.
Ooh, shush.
Hey, I took a good guess.
Oh, my handwriting is booty right now.
Oh, it's the fifth.
Mm-hmm.
I
On
just-
all my papers yesterday, I put it was the third.
Nice.
I skipped a couple days.
Yeah, because tomorrow.
So both equations are in standard form, so that means you're going to use matrix for this system right here. Okay. So let's do that.
Wait, we're solving?
Mm-hmm.
Wait, how are we supposed to solve? Oh, wait, it's just a
You-
calculator.
Yes, it's just a calculator trick.
I write too slow.
Because it's following.
Why'd you say something was majestic?
Oh.
Oh, crap.
Please tell me that's not what it is. No, it's not. Okay, cool.
I don't. Oh.
It's definitely 6.
So anytime you use matrix, the very first thing, make sure you're checking that bottom row. If that bottom row is 0, 0, 0 or 0, 0, 1, it's a special solution, but this one is just they intersect where?
6 negative 1.
6, negative 1. Okay. Now look at Bo's. Both equations are solved for y. So there's a different trick that we learned, different calculator skill that we learned, not a trick, skill that we learned for equations that are solved for y. They're in slope-intercept form. What can we do? There's a couple different steps. Type them into y equals. Type into y equals. So let's do that first. Clear this out. Type my equations into y equals 1/2 x minus 14 negative 2x plus 6. Okay.
What are we doing? Like?
They fell asleep.
No, I don't know. They're just like tingling and they're burning.
Oh.
Press what? Oh.
What do we press?
Wait, what? Enter?
Second graph. Oh, wait, no.
Just press
Sec-
graph.
Oh,
Just press graph.
I was close.
Close. Yes.
It's not showing. Nothing.
Can you see the intersection?
Nope.
Oh, wait. Way down here. Yeah, you can. It's right there.
The very,
There. Yeah.
There.
The very,
Right there.
Did I type the wrong thing?
No.
Maybe.
Right. That's what.
No, you got it. Yeah. All right. So once you see the intersection, what do you press?
second trace.
Second trace what?
Second trace. Alpha. I don't know.
Not alpha. So press second trace.
Oh, wait.
You know that much.
Second trace 5.
There you go. Second trace 5. 5 is for intersection. So put 5. And then after that,
Enter 3 times.
enter 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Enter.
I
3.
did do it wrong.
You did?
Negative 3.2, 12.4.
You should get 8, negative 10.
Okay.
So go back and check your equations. Make sure you're you typed those in correctly. Oops.
Oh, I'm dumb. I was typing in the wrong equation.
All right, we got it.
2 plus 6. I did it. I'm just, it's not, I don't know.
Did you do 1/2 minus 14 or negative 14?
1/2. No, that's
It's minus 14.
Did you put negative 14? Oh, she added it?
I added it.
Oh, okay. All right, cool. Number 4. Both equations are written in.
Standard.
So what method are we going to use? Matrix.
Okay.
Negative 110. Good. Number 5. We have a mix. You can do either or. So you can either take the first equation and solve for y, or change the second equation to standard form so you could use matrix. Now, we're going to do matrix on number 6 again. So, or we're just going to skip number 6. That one's matrix. Just so we can continue practicing using the intersect method, y equals, let's take that first equation and solve it for y, okay? On the assignment, you choose whatever method you want to use. So to solve, do what? This one is intersect method. Or you can just y equals, the y equals method. Put it into y equals, second trace 5. So for intersect method, we have both of your equations have to be solved for y. On the STAR test, I can guarantee you that you're going to have one question where it's a mixture. One's in standard form, one is in slope-intercept form. So you get to decide which one you want to do. Okay, let's solve for y. How do I solve for y on this?
Negative 3, 2.
Minus 3x.
3, 2.
I don't know, but I got to.
She was combining 2 steps.
Yes, I was doing one while saying the other.
And then what do we do after that?
Divide by 2.
Divide by 2.
Divide by 3.
So you get y equals negative 3 halves x minus 5 halves. So this is one of the equations that you would use, and this is the other one. There are other methods that I could have taught you, but 1, it's more work. 2, we didn't have time. So calculator skills it is. You should be able to see the intersection. Oops. So where do these cross?
Negative 5, 5.
Correct. Negative 5, 5. Oops. Turn the page when you're ready. Word problems. Fun. Number 7. R and S are complementary angles with the sum of 90. So even though we don't know what complementary angles means, that is something that you're going to see in geometry. It says complementary angles have a sum of 90 degrees. So that tells us that R and S are equal to 90 degrees. Now it says the second sentence is the one that you're going to have to translate. It says if angle R is means equals 3, I'm just going to write that part up here. 3 what?
Plus.
Plus is for more, yeah. Than is our
Flip.
turnaround phrase. 2 times the measure of angle S. How do you write that?
2S.
2S. So just make sure you flip that.
Equals 3 plus 2S.
Yeah, R equals
2S plus
2S plus 3.
Okay,
But both of them have to be on the same side in order for us to use matrix. So how do we move 2S back over?
Subtract it.
Minus 2S. So r minus 2s equals 3. There's the two equations that you use for matrix. Actually, I think you learned supplementary and complementary in 7th grade.
My calculator's like frozen.
Is this the little spinning circle by the battery? Is it white or yellow?
It's white.
So hit enter. It should be yellow until it goes away.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So the measure of angle R is
61,
and the measure of angle
29.
61:29. All right, number 8. Professor gave an exam with 31 total questions. 31 total questions. So there's one total, right? We have multiple choice questions and open-ended questions. So multiple choice plus, I'm going to draw a big O, open-ended, equals 31 is my one total. So 1, 1, 31. It says multiple choice questions were worth 2.5 points, so 2.5 for multiple choice. Open-ended questions were worth 5. Make sure you don't put a 50 when you type this into matrix. With the total possible points is what? 100. Oops. 1, 1. Oops. I'm already making mistakes here, too. 2.5, 100. So how many multiple choice were there on the test?
22.
And how many open-ended?
9.
9. All right, almost done. Number 9. I will wait. There will be one like this on the assignment, so just be careful. Yeah, number 9 and number 10. Well, like it, all of them. So number 9, it says, because we are going to graph these equations, when you write the equation, you don't want to write these in standard form. To graph, you want to write your equations in slope-intercept. Yeah, slope-intercept. Because we're graphing, you need to write your equations in slope-intercept form, meaning slope, y-intercept, okay? It says, so far, Mike has made 12 sales calls. That means he started by making 12 sales calls. So y equals, that's my y-intercept, because my y-intercept is my starting point. And he plans to make 2 calls each hour. Each is that word that we use for slope, so 2x. So for Mike, we start at the 12. And yeah, 2 over 1. But if I go up 2, what happens? Yeah. So up 2 over 1, up another, that'd be what, 13? Yeah. So go up 2 more, 15, 2. Or you can do this. You can type that equation, y equals, type it in here. So you can find other points. Put it into y equals 2x plus 12. And then press second graph to find other points that actually fall on this. So we got 2x plus 12. 216 is on there? Oh, it says 216, so no, my point is wrong. Sorry. What about 3? 318 is on there. 4 is not, what is 24? 624. There we go. And then 8:30 should be on there. Okay.
It's 9:30.
Oh yeah, it's 9:30.
Okay, I still graphed it right. All right. Second equation. Maria began working and plans to make 5 sales calls per hour.
Going by threes.
If she just began working, she didn't have a starting point. So what's the starting point? 0. But 5 sales calls per hour, that is our slope. So we start at 0. We go up 5 over 1, which none of these numbers go by 5s. Fun. So if I put that into my calculator, second graph, there's actually 2 points that will fit. 315 is one of them, and 525. No, not 525. 630.
Yeah.
Now, these lines do not cross at a good point, at a perfect point, but we do have 2 equations that are written in y equals, right? So we can put them both
The matrix.
in, not matrix, intersect form?
Oh,
Intersect?
oh yeah. Oh yeah, to find the point.
Now, the only reason we did the whole second graph and is just to graph them because that's part that was required. But other than that, everything else, finding the solution, you can do that using your calculator. Ba-da-ba-ba. You cannot see the intersection point. So for this one, you would have to zoom out. Zoom is the middle button in the top row. Press zoom. And if you press zoom, you should be in this screen. Zoom out is number 3. So when you press 3, it'll take you back to the graph. It won't do anything until you press enter. So you have to press enter. And then from there, you can see where they cross. Cool. Second trace 5. So where do these cross?
420.
420. Now this is one that it's a word problem, so they're going to require you to know what the 4 represents and what the 20 represents. 4 represents what?
Numbers.
Hours. And 20 represents
Sales
sales calls. Number of sales calls. Last one. The graph line represents the first equation. Okay, so that one's already given. Part A says if the second line passes through 0, 2, plot that point, and 12, 6. Where's
12?
I do not see 12. It's off the graph of a little bit, so we're just going to do that. 12, 6. Where is the solution? Yep, 6, 4. Okay. For the second one, if the second line passes through 2, 6 and negative 8, 6, where would those two cross?
Negative 4, 6.
Negative 4, 6. Negative 4, 6. All right.